Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the Silent Hell F crashing. So let's start. So if you are on Windows, go to the search bar, after that go to settings, now go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that make sure to download and install the latest available updates you'll find. If you do have failed updates, make sure to select retry all and wait for them to finish. After that go to the search, type in NVIDIA and select NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, you can just download it from the browser from their official websites. Once it opens, go to the left menu and select drivers. After that, make sure to select install or download button on the right, select express or custom installation and click on continue to start the process. Once you do that, go to the search and type in device manager. Now this tab will open. Now you need to look for display adapters. Open this side arrow right here, select NVIDIA GeForce or AMD, whatever graphics card you have. Do not select this one. This is the integrated one. It is useless. Of course, if you don't have any graphics card, you don't have a choice. Right click on it and select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. After that click close. You can do that for the processors too. Right click on anyone and select update driver, search automatically and close. Now for the last step, go to the upside arrow in the Windows taskbar right here. Select the launcher that you have the game on, which is Steam supposedly. Right click and select exit. Wait for a couple of moments. Try reopening the launcher once again. You will be redirected right here. So go to the view option in the top left corner. After that go to library. Now in the left menu you should search for the game, which is Silent Hell F. Now I'm just going to show you using this game because I don't have it. Now go to this gear icon in the right, manage. After that go to properties and now select install files. After that select verify integrity of game files. Wait for a couple of moments. Now any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the crashing issue of the Silent Hill game will be safely recovered and restored, and you don't need to download the game from start once again. Now if you do have the game on Epic Games, just go to your library. After that select your game, click on these three dots. After that click on manage option, this will appear, and select the verify option, which is the first one, and that's it. Now make sure to try all the previous methods. If still not working, make sure to restart your computer and try that method again and try launching the game again. If the problem still occurs, you just need to reinstall it from the start, or even better, delete the launcher and install it back again from the official website. If you find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.